Hey, hi everyone, Pratik here. Today is 5th June 2026. It's currently 9:20 p.m. I left from office. So let's discuss on our complete day. So I woke up at around 6 a.m. At 6:15 I started studying 45 minutes from 6:15 to 7 o'clock. I did revision of direct DT which was taught yesterday. So I did that. Basically, it was agricultural income. So I revised it. Then after I at from 7 to 10 a.m. I had my DT classes, and today's classes was actually great. And we have completed 3 chapters of direct tax, new income tax act 2025. And yeah, it was actually good. I think everything is falling in place. So at 10:30 a.m. I left my home. I went to office, and reached there at around 11:30, and I worked over there. I had good client discussions and everything, had lunch and everything, and left office at around 8:45, and I would reach at, let's say, 10. Let's say by 10 p.m. I would be reaching home. So the target would be to go home, to study at least for 45 to an hour, and I would study FR, financial instruments, financial reporting. I would study leases. So let's quickly revise 3 particular things which we were supposed to do. Firstly, did we complete our did we study anything of FR? So yes, I would be studying for nearly 45 minutes to an hour of FR by going home. So that's first thing. Apart from that, when I was going from train to office, when I was going to office by train, at that time I did some leases, some few questions just by looking at it. So yes, I did FR target. So second thing is DT. Yes, I did watch my DT lecture. And third, routine and chunk. I woke up at actually early today. I slept for nearly 5.5 hours, and the thing is, I slept a little less. It's okay. I slept for 5.5 hours, and apart from that, I ate junk today. Oh hell yeah! I think this is the only particular thing which needs to be controlled. Yeah. So this is complete overall review of our today's day. Apart from this, by Saturday or by Sunday, let me just complete my all activities on Saturday, Sunday. I would analyze our complete week, and I would make a video on it to let's identify the mistakes where I had gone wrong and where I can correct myself in the upcoming week. So that is the perfect thing which we can do. So yeah, see you guys. Bye bye. I want you all to just focus on yourself. Never focus on negativity. And it's okay, some days would be bad, but the thing is, try things up, give your best, and if you decide a thing to do, just make sure you do it. And if that thing doesn't work, for let's say if I thought that I would do leases in 2 hours, but actually it's been 2 days, I didn't got actually time to study, but it's been 2 days, I have not completed it. But yeah, the thing is, I will correct my mistake. I didn't actually study well for leases, since now it is taking much of my time. So I will not happen this happen. I would not basically make this happen again in my other second revision. So this is the thing which I wanted you all to know. Thank you so much, guys. You all are very great guys, boys and girls, whatever. So see you, yeah. Bye bye. Take care. World is very small. We'll even meet someday. Yeah. Bye bye.